Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can accept WeChat Pay connected to your Stripe account. So you can bill a customer in China using your Stripe account and they can pay with WeChat. But first I want to say welcome back everyone, or if it's your very first time here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Jillian Shanahan. On this channel we talk about different ways that you can accelerate your own online teaching income. Right now, one of the really big things that people are super interested in is going independent. They're leaving these companies that are no longer accepting teachers or accepting new students or even teaching classes, and they're opening up their own online independent teaching businesses. And I think that this is absolutely phenomenal. I love the entrepreneurship. The term teacherpreneur has been coined many times, and I think that's pretty cool. I do think that a lot of teachers are kind of at a point where it's like, okay, I know how to teach, I know how to do this, I know how to do all the things, but I don't know how to be a business owner. And it's something that they were really thrown into. And you might be one of these teachers. Like suddenly you're like thrown into being a business owner and it's super overwhelming and you have no idea where to start, what to do, what to charge, like how to do any of this stuff. If that sounds like you, I want you to go into the link in the description box. There is a cheat sheet that I made up for you. It tells you like the very basics of what you need to do to start your own online teaching business. In this cheat sheet, it's going to walk you through and like really, it's probably gonna answer a lot of questions. I hope it's gonna answer a lot of questions. That's the point of it. So on this channel, we talk about making money from home as an online teacher. And if that's something that you are interested in or that you wanna learn more about, then make sure you click subscribe and hit that little bell notification so you don't miss any of my future updates. The big thing that we're going to be shifting focus to, like, yes, we're going to still talk about other companies. Yes, we're still going to talk about like curriculum creation and different kinds of classes that you can have, and you know, how to do intro videos and all that stuff that we've talked about before. But now the big thing that we're going to be working on is we're going to be taking a huge shift and a turn towards the independent entrepreneurial teacher. So we're going to take a shift towards building your brand, building your business, because that's what's important to a lot of teachers right now. So if you're not worried about being independent and that's not something that you're interested in, don't worry. The other content that you've been coming here for, that's still going to be here. But if you ever in the future decide you want to take on independent students of your own and start having your own online teaching business as a teacherpreneur, it's a kind of cool little word, right? Then these videos like this one are going to be here for you to come back to. All right, so WeChat Pay. If you're coming to this video, you probably already know what WeChat is. It's kind of like the Facebook of China, but it's a little more detailed than Facebook. It kind of has everything. So in China, the way that they like to pay is by WeChat Pay. And it's pretty cool. They open up their WeChat app and they can pay for anything using their phone, using the WeChat app. They just scan a QR code. WeChat Pay is a little bit different than what we're used to. That's my dog playing with a toy because it's necessary when I'm recording a video, right? So WeChat Pay is a little bit different than what we're used to, because with WeChat Pay, there's no like checkout link. But when we're paying with all these other payments, you go to the product that you want, you click the payment link, and boom, you pay. That's gonna be a little bit different in your online teaching business because you're going to have to generate an invoice for every single purchase. So it's not going to be like this one-click payment option for your WeChat Pay. It's going to be generating an invoice. That's okay. I'm going to show you how to do it. Don't worry about that. Obviously, the bigger packages you sell, if you sell one class at a time, you'd have to be doing it every single time. But if you sell like bigger packages, then you have to do it less. So it's obviously worth it for both you and the customer to offer different package points too, right? The one thing that's unique about WeChat Pay is it's that it's a one-time payment link. So you can't set up recurring billing. You can't bill them like, $15 a week for their classes and have it come out like every Sunday or something like I do for my outschool classes. It's going to be different. It's going to be a one-time link. You'll have to regenerate a QR code every single time that you want them to make a payment. All right, so here we go. I'm going to show you how to set up WeChat Pay in your Stripe account. Make sure you have a Stripe account. You need a Stripe account to do this. set up WeChat Pay in your Stripe account, and then once it is all approved, I'm going to show you how you can actually send an invoice and bill the customer.
In your Stripe dashboard, you're going to go over to the upper right-hand side where it says Settings. Click on Settings. Slide back over to the left and click under Payments where it says Payment Methods. Under Requires Action, you're going to see Alipay first. All you'll do is request access, read the terms and conditions, and then click Continue. And then you can go back down, slide down some more, and you will see the option for WeChat Pay. And you're going to do the same exact thing for WeChat Pay, request access, read the terms and conditions, and then click Continue. Now, when you go back up underneath Ready to Integrate, it's going to say that WeChat and Alipay are both pending, but I literally had WeChat approved seconds. They were ready and set up and supported within seconds of doing this. When you go into the Stripe docs, it's going to show you how to accept a WeChat payment, which involves a whole lot of coding. I want you to ignore all of these pages. I'm going to show you the easier way to do it that doesn't involve coding every single step of the payment. Go back to your dashboard, create, and then invoice. You're going to fill out your customer's name, their email address, and the items that you are selling. Now, I'm actually doing this from test mode, and you can do this from test mode without worrying about actually invoicing anybody if you would like to. But when you are going to actually invoice your customer, make sure that you're not in test mode. So then you fill out the item, the name of the item, the quantity, the price of the item. After you save it, scroll down to where it has the payment options and uncheck everything except for WeChat Pay. When you're all finished, you can review the invoice and then send it off to the recipient. Now, since I did this in test mode from my own email, I can pull up my own email right now, and you can see that the WeChat scan code is there. You're going to generate the scan code or the customer generate the scan code, and then they could pay this from their WeChat app.
All right, guys, that is everything for today. You want to say goodbye? 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 Yeah, that's everything for today. I hope this was helpful. If you haven't already, make sure that you click the link in the description box. That is going to get you the cheat sheet for the online teacherpreneur. The getting started cheat sheet. This is especially helpful if you have no idea where to begin. And stay tuned for future videos. I got a ton of stuff that I have planned. A ton of stuff. What are you doing there, Romeo? Alright, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold